The project we created here is Automatic Car Parking Toolgate System. This system is a modern solution designed to control vehicles' entry and exit in parking facilities. The key components used to create this are Arduino board, ultrasonic sensor, servo motor, breadboard, and jumper wires. For the code, this servo library is being input. The trigger pins are wired on the digital pin 7 and the eco pin is wired on the digital pin of 6. For the distance, we have given here 25 centimeter and the servo attaches on the ninth of the digital pins. For the delay, the 2 seconds timer is given. Servo motor turns to 180-degree. Now the trigger pin is acting as the output and the eco pin is acting as the input. We'll provide the loop functions here for high and low sensors. Now the code is being run and here is the outcome. The ultrasonic sensor is wired to the Arduino with its VCC and ground pins. The eco pin, that is an input pin, is connected to the digital pin 6 and the trigger pin, that is an output pin of the sensor, is connected to the 7 on the Arduino. The servo motor that acts as the controller of the gate movement is connected to the digital pin 9 on the Arduino, while its power and ground pins are Arduino's on 5V and ground pin.